Welcome to Indian Raga by Gravitas Create. These demo sets will help you quickly audition ragas, percussion loops, and the different instrument racks included, as well as give you ideas on how you can work with the different ragas in the pack. The Raga Construction Kit has 4 different ragas played in their entirety across 2 different instruments. These are different performances and do not necessarily go together. One track is muted by default. This is a MIDI track that gives the ascending and descending rules for its particular raga. We have also included some characteristic phrases from the raga in MIDI form as well. These last phrases are shorter and can be launched as one-shots. The Raga demo set gives you 3 other ragas to explore. This set showcases the raga percussion rack and the sitar instrument. You can also launch some audio loops as well. These MIDI clips are small characteristic phrases of these particular raga. Note that you can adjust the volume of each of the main percussion sounds easily from the macro control knob 8 of the Raga percussion rack.